In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to apply textures using Adobe Illustrator so you can create distressed typography, grunge effects, and professional textured designs in just a few minutes. This method works perfectly for text, logos, shapes, and illustrations, and once you understand it, you can use it for endless creative projects. Make sure to stick around until the end so you don't miss any small settings that can make a big difference. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more Illustrator tips and design tutorials. All right, let's get started. The first thing you need to do is place your texture into your Illustrator document. If your texture file is saved on your computer, go up to File, then click Place and select your texture image. This could be a grunge texture, paper texture, noise texture, or any distressed image you want to use. Once you click Place, click anywhere on your artboard to insert it, or click and drag to control the size as you bring it in. Next, select the object or text that you want to apply the texture to. This could be a logo, a shape, or some typography. Make sure it's fully selected before moving on to the next step, because the mask will be applied directly to the selected artwork. Now go to the top menu and click Window, then choose Transparency. This will open the Transparency panel, which is where the magic happens. In the Transparency panel, you'll see a button that says Make Mask. Go ahead and click Make Mask. As soon as you do this, your artwork might disappear. Don't panic, this is completely normal. If it vanishes, look inside the Transparency panel and uncheck the option that says Clip. Once you uncheck Clip, your artwork should reappear. Now you'll notice two thumbnails inside the Transparency panel. The one on the left represents your original artwork, and the one on the right represents the mask. Click on the right thumbnail. This puts you into mask editing mode. You'll know you're in mask mode because your artboard may look slightly different, and you're now editing the mask instead of the artwork itself. With the mask thumbnail selected, paste your texture into the mask by pressing Ctrl+V on Windows or Command+V on Mac. The texture will now define which parts of your artwork are visible. Wherever the texture is black, your artwork will be hidden. Wherever it's white, your artwork will show. Gray areas create partial transparency, which is what gives you that realistic distressed effect. Now you can click on the texture and move it around to control how the effect looks. You can scale it up or down using the selection tool. If you want a heavier distressed look, scale the texture larger so more dark areas affect the artwork. If you want a subtle effect, adjust the size and positioning until it looks just right. This step is all about experimenting and visually fine-tuning the result. Once you're happy with how the texture looks, go back to the Transparency panel and click the left thumbnail. This exits mask mode and returns you to editing your original artwork. Your texture is now fully applied as a mask, and you can move the entire textured object around your artboard like normal. And that's it. That's how you apply textures in Adobe Illustrator using opacity masks. This technique gives you precise control, keeps your design non-destructive, and works perfectly for professional branding, posters, merchandise designs, and social media graphics. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more Adobe Illustrator tips and step-by-step design guides. Let me know in the comments what kind of texture effects you want to learn next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.